Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Realme 7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then click here to enable Hey Google and now click on More and I agree. Then click on More and I agree again. Now click on Next. And then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Well, let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click Next. Then you can go back and click on Lock Screen. Now click Yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on, and now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.